Hello and welcome to the channel. Over the past few years, Bitcoin has taken the world by storm, with its value skyrocketing and attracting investors from all over the globe. But what does the future hold for this highly volatile cryptocurrency? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into the various factors that could impact the price of Bitcoin in 2023 and give you our expert predictions on where we see the market heading. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video.
Bitcoin price could go as low as $9,550 and form a macro bottom before rallying to $30,000 by mid to late 2023. Miners are already facing the brunt of the recent crashes, and our capitulating bottom could be around the corner. On-chain metrics are already showing signs of heavy accumulation as 2022 comes to an end, suggesting that good things await BTC. Improving macro outlook and reduction in inflation could see a flood of investors re-entering crypto space, starting a new cycle. Quite a few things happened in 2022, so let's quickly recap three main events that caused Bitcoin BTC price to nosedive during the year. These are the three main events that caught investors off guard in 2022. Bitcoin price signaling the end of bull run. BTC hit an all-time high of $68,997.75 on November 8, 2021. But the big crypto produced a major shift in market structure by producing a lower low on the weekly time frame at $32,995 on January 24. This move confirmed the start of a bear market. Terra Luna 3 AC crash. As Bitcoin price trickled lower, it was followed by the downfall of the algorithmic stablecoin Terra and its constituents in May. This move caused BTC to shed 30% of its market value in less than 2 weeks. As a result of this sudden market crash, the overleveraged crypto hedge fund 3 Arrows Capital, 3AC, faced an untimely demise, which pushed the market down from roughly $30,000 to $17,600. The FTX debacle, the most recent and fresh wound that the crypto market suffered, is the bankruptcy of the FTX exchange and its related subsidiaries. The collapse of Sam Bankman-Fried's empire came at the hands of his opponent and rival Changpeng Zhao, CZ, who is the founder of Binance. As a result of these three events, Bitcoin price crashed 77.57% from its all-time high of $68,997.75. Despite these fateful outcomes, BTC started looking bullish on November 9. So let's take a quick look at what the pioneer crypto's technicals look like. Bitcoin price revealed a bullish divergence on the 3-day chart on November 9 and has been bullish in that time frame ever since. After this setup was pointed out by FX Street, BTC rallied 19% and set up a local top at $18,400. Form a local top at roughly $19,300 and retrace lower to form a macro bottom. Overcome the $19,000 to $20,000 hurdle to reach $25,000 and $28,000 hurdles. Continue the ongoing descent and find a macro bottom between $11,898 and $9,453. The state of Bitcoin miners. Before we get too deep into technicals, let's take a quick look at miners, who are essentially the backbone of the Bitcoin network. Due to the crypto winter, miners have already suffered two major capitulations. The first one extended from June to August, and the second one started in late November and is still ongoing. Judging from the historical miner capitulations and Bitcoin price bottoms, the current cycle's bottom should be around the corner. The recent drop in difficulty comes around the time Argo blockchain, one of the big names in the Bitcoin mining industry, fell. As a result of this, trading of ARB was suspended in the United Kingdom and the United States exchanges on December 9, which coincides with a large drop in mining difficulty. This plummet in mining difficulty has taken some pressure off the miners, but at the same time, it has also marked the continuation of their capitulation wave. So a quick downtrend is not outside the realm of possibility for Bitcoin price. The Miner Reserve Indicator provides an estimate of the number of BTC held by these participants, and it is currently hovering around 1.84 million BTC, worth roughly $30 billion. Therefore, a continuation of the distress faced by miners could result in more selling pressure, causing Bitcoin price to drop lower. On-chain metrics breathe sign of relief for Bitcoin. The first, and perhaps the most important on-chain metric to determine the possibility of a capitulation, is the 365-day market value to realized value (MVRV) indicator. This on-chain metric is used to determine the average profit/loss of investors that purchased BTC over the past year. Based on historical data, the bottom for BTC occurred when the MVRV value slipped below 40%. The nosedive in June and the flash crash in November have caused the 365-day MVRV to hit 45%, which coincides with the 2020 level. However, the on-chain metric is still far away from the 2018 and 2014 levels. This data indicates that a minor downtrend could be likely for Bitcoin price going forward. Whales and their accumulation patterns are important to determine if the Bitcoin price has bottomed. Historical data shows that addresses holding between 100 to 10,000 BTC have sway over Bitcoin price. The number of these addresses spiked from 15,662 to 15,989 in the last month, denoting an addition of 327 new addresses. The last time these investors were active was in February, when the number of addresses inflated by 274 from 15,870 to 15,596. This move was followed by a $10,000 spike in Bitcoin price from roughly $37,400 to $47,050. Another interesting data point was between September and November 2021, when these addresses grew from 15,777 to 16,150, suggesting the addition of 373 new addresses. After this spike, the Bitcoin price rose from $40,700 to $66,971 and set up an all-time high. If history were to repeat itself, this recent accumulation by whales could generate a quick bear market rally in Bitcoin price. This move would correspond to a retest of $28,000, assuming BTC inflations by $10,000, as it did in February.
As we come to the end of our video, we can see that cryptocurrency has continued to thrive and surprise us with its resilience. While it's impossible to predict with certainty what the future holds, it's clear that Bitcoin has established itself as a mainstay in the financial world, and its value will likely continue to rise in the coming years. We hope you've enjoyed this video, and we'll see you again soon for more updates on the world of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Subscribe to the channel for more updates. Thank you for watching.